If you're experiencing server timeout issues with your Xbox Series X, particularly the error code 2026, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the official Xbox Live status page to see if there are any ongoing service outages or maintenance. If there are issues reported, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 2. Restart your Xbox Series X. Turn off your console completely by holding the power button for about 10 seconds. Unplug the power cord for a minute, then plug it back in and turn on your console. This can help reset any temporary glitches. Step 3. Test your network connection. Go to Settings, General Network Settings, Test Network Connection. This will check if your console is properly connected to the internet and help identify any connectivity issues. Step 4. Clear the Xbox cache. To clear the cache, turn off your Xbox and unplug it. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to drain any remaining power. Plug it back in and turn it on. This can help resolve various performance issues. Step 5. Change DNS settings. Go to Settings, General Network Settings, Advanced Settings, DNS Settings. Switch to Manual and enter public DNS server like Google S8.8, 8.8 for primary and 8.8, 4.4 for secondary. This can improve your connection stability. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue on your Xbox Series X. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.